My first symptom was a dry cough. I was diagnosed in the summer of 2018.
She wasn't sure what to do, what to say. Scared, mostly.
I did 6 rounds of R-CHOP chemo and finished up on Halloween. We were good to go at that point.
I thought she was very strong. She's the strongest person I've ever seen.
I redeveloped symptoms in May of 2019, the cough, the trouble breathing. So at that point, I called to have my CT scan to be moved to a little bit earlier.
She unfortunately relapsed. She had pleural effusions where lymphoma was actually inside the lining of her lungs, and that led to her having a lot of shortness of breath. She had pain. She needed a treatment quickly.
It was rough.
I thought she could tolerate both an auto transplant and CAR T-cell therapy. She had an aggressive disease. It came back early from her initial chemotherapy, and those are the people for whom auto is not ideal.
She gave me the information on that there was a clinical trial available for the CAR T. We were like, I'm all in for this. You know, if this is the way to go, this is what we're gonna do.
It sounded promising. When it was explained to us in depth, it sounded like something worth trying, and it was.
We could just see her getting better day by day after receiving CAR T-cell therapy. She was one of those patients that responded really fast and really well. It was really visual for all of us to see her response.
When I heard I was cancer-free, number one, it was a big relief. I knew I felt better. Just hearing the words and knowing that it worked was just amazing.
I noticed through all this how strong she is.
My youngest graduating high school, I wanted to be there for that. My oldest son getting married. If it was 2 years prior to it, who knows, you know, I wouldn't have been able to attend the important parts of your kids' lives that you want to share in. Now I'm able to help them with anything. It is truly a blessing.